Hey everyone, in this video we will see the another example based on LRU page replacement algorithm, that is least recently used replacement algorithm. Okay, and we have already seen why we move from FIFO and optimal page replacement algorithm to the LRU in the previous video. So you can watch that video. You can find the link of that video in the operating system playlist. Okay. In that video I have explained LRU with the help of example. Okay, so let's see the another example based on LRU. So just for review, LRU algorithm actually see or use the past knowledge rather than the future. That means if we are at a particular page and we want to say that if we have to put this page into the main memory or into the frames, then out of these pages I will decide, okay, which page I should replace. That means I will see the all the pages in the backward direction, right? Okay, and in the optimal one I was using this in the forward direction. Okay, I will checking in the forward direction that which page should I replace. Okay, so LRU checks in the past. Okay, and we can say that it actually replaces that page which in the recent past has not been used for the most amount of time. Okay, so in the recent past the page that has been used very less, okay, that page should be replaced in the LRU page replacement algorithm. Okay, so this we have already seen in the previous video. So now let's apply the same LRU on the next example. Okay, so this is our new reference string. Okay, and we are allocated the total number of free frames as 3 for this process, and we have to find the total number of page faults. Okay, so let's apply this LRU. So we have total 3 free frames. Okay, so let's start. So first the CPU access the page number 1. Okay, so we have all the 3 frames free, right? So we can put 1 here. Okay, I will start from up to down, right? Now this give me a page fault. Okay, so I am writing tick. Now 2, yes, 2 is not present here, so 2 will give me a page fault, right? So I will place 2 here. Now 3, yes, 3 will also give me a page fault because it is not already present here, so I will put 3 here. Okay, so this is the same behavior in the other algorithm also. Okay, for like these 3 pages I will get 3 page fault. Okay, now for 4 I have to apply the LRU now. Okay, now I am at 4. Now I have to see out of 1 2 3, okay, which page should I replace. Okay, and I will not see the future, I will see the past. Okay, so here you can see 3 is just used. Okay, 2 was used before 3, 1 was used very before in the past. Okay, so you can say at 1 p.m. it was used, at 2 p.m. 2 was used, at 3 p.m. this was used. So 1 was used at 1 p.m. Okay, very late or very soon. So 1 was used very much before in the past. Okay, before 2 and 3. So 1 is the candidate for the replacement according to LRU. So I should replace this 1 by 4 and I place 4 2 3. Okay, now 4 gave me a page fault. 1 will give me a page fault. Yes, 1 is not already present here. Okay, so I will say 1 should replace which page. Okay, so I'm here. Let's see, out of 4 2 3. Okay, I will see in the past 4 is here. Okay, then this 3 is here. Okay, 4 and 3 they are here. Now this 2 is here. So out of 4 3 2, you can see 2 is the page, okay, that is used in the past very much before 4 and 3. Okay, so 2 has been used in the recent past very least amount of time. Okay, and it is used very much before 4 and 3. Okay, so this is the candidate that should be replaced by 1. Okay, so I should replace this 2 by 1 and my new content is 413. Now 2, it will give me a page fault because it is not present here. Okay, so which page should I replace out of 413? Okay, so I am here. Okay, so you can see 1 is here. Okay, 4 is here. Now 3 is here. Okay, so I have to decide between this 1 3 4 because these are in my frame. Okay, see, you have to take care that you can replace either 4 1 3, so you have to concentrate on these 4 1 3 in this reference string in the past. Okay, do not see the other pages. Okay, so out of 4 1 3, 1 is here, 4 is here, 3 was used you can say very much before 1 and 4. Okay, so 3 is the candidate for replacing. Okay, so my new content is 4 1 2. Okay, now 5, it will generate page fault, right? So Which page should I replace? So I will see the past. Out of 4, 1, 2. So 2 is here, 1 is here, 4 is here. So 4 is the candidate, right? So I will say 5 will replace this. So 5, 1, 2 is my new content. Now I am here at 1. So will 1 generate page fault or not? No, it is already here. So it will not generate. Okay, and this was generating. Okay? Now 2 will not generate page fault because it is already here, right? 3 will generate page fault, right? So I'm here, and out of 5, 1, 2, which should be replaced? So 2 is here, 1 is here, and 5 is here, right? So this 5 should be replaced, right? So I will replace this 3, 1, 2. Okay. So now let's come to 4. 4 will generate page fault because it is not already here, right? So which page should I replace out of 3, 1, 2? So 3 is here, 1 is here, and 2 is here. Okay. So 3, 2, 1. So 1 is the page that should be replaced. Okay. 3 and 2 are getting used recently in the past, but 1 is used very soon before 2 and 3. Okay. So this is the candidate for the replacement. 4, 3, 4, 2. Right. So last page is 5. So 5 came, and now out of 3, 4, 2. 3, 4, 2. So 4 is here, 3 is here, and 2 is here. So 2 should be replaced. Okay. 3 and 4 should not be replaced. 2 should be replaced. Okay. Even if this 2, for example, now for example, let's say this 2 is not here. Okay. Let's say I remove this 2. Then also I will say, okay, 4 is here, 3 is here, and I will search for the next 2. 2 is here. Okay. So I should replace 2 then also, because it was used very least amount of time in the past. Okay. And it is used very much before 4 and 3. You can say it is used at, let's say, 1 p.m. and it is used at, let's say, 4 p.m. It is used at the 5 p.m. So this was used very much before 3 and 4 at 1 p.m. So this should be replaced. And even if, let's say, we have 4, 3, and in the past, let's say this 2 and this 2 was not there. Okay. Then also what will happen? I will say 4 and 3. They are getting used in the past, but there was no 2. Okay. So if there is no 2 present, then also I will say 2 is getting used very least in the recent past. So I should replace 2 only. Okay. The page that is not getting used, I am like assuming that in the future also it will not be referenced, right? So on that motive, or on that you can say perception, I am saying least recently used page will replace this 2. Okay. I am, you can say, taking the past as the measure to predict the future. Okay. So it is somewhat similar to like what we have understood in the SGF CPU scheduling algorithm. Okay. In that also we saw that we are taking the past behavior to predict the future. Okay. So I should replace this 2 by 5, and my new content will be 3, 4, 5. So for this reference string, how many page faults we have generated? So you can count 1, then this 2 was also there, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So total 10 page faults. Okay. We have got according to the LRU on this reference string. Okay. So LRU gave me total 10 page fault. Okay. For the same reference string, FIFO gave me 9 page fault. Optimal algo gave me, for the same reference string, FIFO gave me 9 page fault. Optimal gave me 7 page fault. Okay. So you can see optimal is giving me the least number of page faults. Okay. Out of all these 3 algorithms. Okay. So here you can see LRU is giving me more number of page faults than FIFO. Okay. But in the previous video, okay, we saw that LRU was giving me lesser number of page faults. Okay. So in general, LRU is used practically and it is better than FIFO. Okay. But for some of the reference string or some given you can say allocated frames, LRU may give me like more number of page faults than FIFO. But in general, it will be better than FIFO. Okay. It will like on an average, it will give me lesser number of page faults than FIFO. Okay. Because it is using the past behavior to predict the future. Okay. So in that sense, it is better. Okay. So I hope you have now very much confident about LRU and that how it works and why it is working in this way. Okay, why it is checking the past to predict the future. Okay, because past is the better predictor for the future. Okay, so before ending this video, let me ask you that how many page faults will be generated for this reference string if I gave 4 number of free frames. Okay, if I allocate 4 frames to this reference string, then you can find that how many page faults you will get. Okay, so you can tell me in the comment box below that how many page faults you will get if you allocate 4 free frames. Okay, it will obviously be you can say lesser than 10. Okay, it will obviously be lesser than 10, but you have to tell me the correct figure. Okay, so do tell me in the comment box. And if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. And please like and share this video also. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.